talking like it, looking like a lick. Counting up the hundreds, boy, you know I love the strills. Know I'm having 30 clips in case you want a trill.
Body critical.
Run my check, go. Run it up. Run my check, go. Run my check, go. Run my check, go. Run it up. Run my check, go. Run my check, go. Run my check, go. Run it up. Run that check.
What up, what up, what up, gang, gang? Of course, it's your girl, LeeLee, yours truly, and welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. I got some vocals, but this is me and baby taking this desk that she got me from Target out of the box, and we are a couple of fix-it-uppers, okay? We like to do these little projects together and figure things out, so this was the most simple, the easiest desk, or the easiest thing that we ever put together. Like, literally all you have to do is take it out of the box and put the 4 legs on there. It comes with the screws, the nails, and the little I don't even know what that thing called, but it's like the little screwdriver thing. So this was us reading the directions like a dumb butt, when clearly it was simple. It was simple. But make sure you guys are liked, comment, and subscribed. Make sure those notifications are turned on so you'll be notified whenever we post another video. And I'm so happy that you're watching part 2. Alright, so now we're all done, and we're trying to figure out where we want to position this and how we want to position it for the shape of our room. And also I have to position it in a way where my mirror can still go over here. And I wanted my mirror in that corner so bad, you guys, but it was not going to work. So me and baby was basically talking about that and discussing what we would have to do to make it work.
I've been stressed out, I ain't feeling my best. All they want is my sex, I got the best style. I do some things you won't believe. So many weeks I done sweat out. Think I might have found love one time. Think I might have found love a few times, yeah.
Think she's Trey Songz. I swear she does. I swear she does. Or Chris Brown. But anyways, these pictures right here, baby got me these from HomeGoods. If you have a HomeGoods near you, then I suggest you go in there, because girl, it's the closest thing to a Z gallery that we got here in Chattanooga. No, we got Pier 1, but HomeGoods has good deals. It's like a sister company to TJ Maxx. So make sure you go in there and check out their pictures. And also they had some cute desks in there too. And it was hard for me to decide between a desk from Big Lots, HomeGoods, but we ended up going with this one from Target.
Watch out. Breathe in, breathe out. Shake that ass, speed up, go fast, slow down. Breathe in, breathe out. Shake that ass, speed up, go fast, slow down. Bull.
Alright, so now we're getting on to the rest of the pictures, and I decided to go with these 3 little quotes, because when you see quotes like that around you all the time, it just makes you want to go harder and make you want to be more productive. And I wanted my little office space to be, you know, motivational. So when I look up at the wall, I get inspired, and baby did a great job of picking out these pictures. I was so grateful, and it literally took us like 5 minutes to hang up all of this. So, and each of these pictures were, I believe, around $3.99 to $5.99, somewhere up in there. The big picture was $25 to $30. Alright, so here is the reason why we're even doing all this. Baby bought me this MacBook, and well, it's not a MacBook, it's an iMac, and I needed a place to put it. So this is what inspired us to even change our room around. I can't tell you about it right now. I can't even remember all of the deets of it. But I'm so grateful for it, and it has definitely been a blessing in our YouTube career. Okay, now that we got that all set up, it's time for us to discuss where I'm going to put my mirror and so forth. So baby's like, no, LeeLee, that can't go over there. There's too much stuff over there. And I'm like, yeah, that looks kind of crowded. I already took my picture from up there, but I wanted to make everything work. So that's when it kicked that we're going to have to move this shelf to the other side of the room and move the stuff that was over there on my side of the bed. So we did a lot. We moved the lamp back on my side of the bed and moved this shelf on her side of the bed, and that's where you're about to see.
In your special way, whenever you're around, I'm never feeling down.
I thought you was moving shit around.
On you I can depend. You take me away from the pain and you bring me paradise. These days you brought sunshine in my life.
You know you fine.
Going niggas mine, but you won't blow mine. You trippin', stop geeking. All your friends they jockin', 'cause I rock with God. Man, them hoes retarded. We creepin'.
I swear my baby should be a DJ, but her music selection be on point. You hear me? I mean, it's always on point. We go between a mixture of R&B and hip hop and all kind of stuff. She bring the old school with the new school, and she just knows how to flow so well. So I mean, with her singing and dancing and my singing and dancing, I think we got ourselves a little group going on here. But anyways, you see baby put her hats on this shelf, and then I'm going to come over and like spruce it up. We try to make a little decorative, I don't even know how to word this, honestly, you guys. I just try to decorate on a budget. So the boxes that our colognes and perfumes came in, I'm going to take those and decorate our shelf with them to give it a little bit more spice, you know, kind of add a little designer something to it. This gold perfume bottle, I want to say I got that from HomeGoods as well. Don't quote me on that, but I believe I got it from HomeGoods. And yes, your girl looking like the bride of Chucky. The lamp is finally on my side of the bed. Everything's looking good. The aura in this room is just feeling amazing. It's like we got a boost of energy. And then when I was at Big Lots, y'all know I love Big Lots, that's where I got this beautiful comforter set. It is so freaking gorgeous, and I think it's from Project Runway, if I'm not mistaken. Y'all know I love comfort sets. I love anything home decor. I put my red pillow back on the bed, but I have a pink one that's down in the closet. I just didn't feel like going because, honey, we have been doing this too long with moving that cabinet. I was ready to be done, so that's what's going on right now. And yes, this is literally the finished project. I did not have all of my pillows that I have on my bed. I love a lot of pillows, and adding a lot of pillows to anything just gives it that mwah. I really hope you guys enjoyed part 2 of the series. Part 3 will be out as soon as possible, but I think this shows you how to decorate and make your space look nice, especially if you have a small space and a lot of stuff on a budget. And also, I mean, I look at YouTube and take little tips all the time.
Yeah. Yo, you can picture everything else, not picture this. Rolling in my total money car, teasing me with these 23s and these DVDs, and they rise, then they wonder why.
Alright, gang, so if you guys enjoyed this and enjoyed us revamping our room, I know we are loving it. The energy in here is amazing. Make sure you guys thumbs this video up for us. Leave us a comment down below what you recommend us to do next and whatever it is that you want to see, and you know, we'll holler at y'all on another video. Gotta go.
When